Here I discover a white lip frog where you can see the features is dia punya lip is white. Look at it. It's smiling. Well, I find it near the project base, so here's the proof with Evan right here. This, yeah. I find it here. Oh, where is it? Oh, there. Look at it. We, Group 10, choose to study about frog in the particular location which is the project base and the Bono base of UPMKB. It is an amazing place to find all sorts of frog in different sizes, colors, and also how they're going to adapt in the project base and the Borneo base of UPMKB. Here with our experts of frog, Alvin Ajay will explain to you what is the background of the frog, of its family, genus, and everything regarding the frog.
For the background, frog belongs to the order Anura and are classified as amphibians. There are over 7,000 species of frogs and they can be found in almost every corner of the world except for Antarctica. Frogs are typically small and range in size from just a few millimeters to more than 12 inches in length. They are cold-blooded creatures, which means that their body temperature changes with the environment around them. Okay, we found one frog.
Here is our frog expert number 2 that's going to explain the physical characteristic of the frog, and I present to you Daphne Low.
Physical characteristic. One of the most notable physical characteristic of frog is their skin. Frogs have slimy, moist skin that helps them to stay hydrated. Their skin also serves as a defense mechanism, as some species are able to produce toxins that deter predators. Additionally, frogs have long, webbed feet that help them to swim and jump.
As a further explanation, the physical characteristic of frog is that the majority of frogs have lengthy hind leg, extended ankle bones, webbed toes, and no claws, as it supports the reason why it able to swim and also to leap further from their original position. This to help them to adapt with the environment of many predators as they want to escape further to survive. Apart of being able to leap more further, they also have a huge eyes as it able to help them to widen their vision, to scan the surrounding for potential food such as insects, and also to run away from the predators that try to attack them. Frogs also have a smooth and watery skin that is moist as they breathe through skin, also through lungs, through gas exchange. Fun fact, they have no tail unless they are larvae. Next frogs experts number 3 will be Shamil, and he going to explain to you what is the importance of frog in the ecosystem, and here I present to you Shamil.
Importance in ecosystem. Frog play a vital role in the ecosystem as both predator and prey. As predator, they help counter insect population and prevent the overgrowth of certain plant species. As prey, they are an important food source for numerous other animals, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Additionally, frogs are used as bioindicators, which means that they are key indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. Scientists can study frog population to determine the health of a wetland or other body of water.
Sekarang pukul apa? 9.14. Korang jumpa seekor katak, sepasang katak, iaitu Bornean ears tree frog. Dan ini adalah katak wanita ataupun betina, dan tu adalah katak jantan. Mungkin diorang tengah berinteraksi antara satu sama lain. Sangat cute lah katak ni.
Apart of mating in the forest, Frogs also play a central role in many ecosystems. They control the insect population and they are a food source for many larger animals. To keep things in balance, frogs use lots of survival tools. Some run away, play dead or sweat up when threatened. Others have more sophisticated defenses, such as many use colors as a warning or as a camouflage. Up next, we welcome Alia as frog expert number 4. They're going to explain the threats to the frog population. And here I present to you Alia.
Okay, I'm gonna talk about threats to frog populations. Sadly, many frog populations around the world are in decline due to habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. As wetlands are drained and forests destroyed, frog populations lost their homes and breeding sites. Chemical pollution such as pesticides and fertilizers also pose threat to frog population. As the climate change, frog habitats are altered and they may not be able to adapt quickly enough.
And next will be me, Petro Anakandang, as the frog expert number 5 and going to explain to you the habitat of the frog and what I found in the Borneo base and the project base. Oh, look who we found here. It is a Bornean ear frog, which is endemic species that found in Borneo. And look at its ear. It looks like a bin file, which is we known as a file ear. So yeah, look at it. It's very beautiful. So cool. I crawl back now. Frogs live in a wide range of habitats, including forests, deserts, and wetlands. Most frog species require fresh water to survive and reproduce, which is why they are often found in or near bodies of water such as river, ponds, and streams. Some species, such as the wood frog, can even survive in the frigid temperature and hibernate during the cold weather. Next part will be the staring contest between you and the frog. Now I want you to stare at this frog for 20 seconds so that I can extend this video. Are you winning, son? Not only in Ratatouille that has the name of the Colette, but here we found a Colette. I forgot. Colette what? Only in the Ratatouille that have the name of the Colette, but here we also have the Colette tree frog. As you can see, it's red in color and it has that what we call those dots at the back of it. I don't know how to describe this, but then it's very exciting to see one in the wild. So hi, I am Patrick from Future, and the characteristic that I want to describe about this Colette tree frog is that it has that hourglass dotted behind his back. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go. As you can see here, this is the ear Bornean frog. He has that ears that been like a fowl ear. So here's another Colette tree frog that we found, and it seems to be not posed lah, maybe the decorates and looking for insects around. As you can see here, here's a frog that have a camouflage that looks like a soldier marks behind his back. So this is the function to camouflage from the predator side so that it won't be recognizable. On our back to our dome, we encounter one species of frog that is perfect to end this documentary video. So here is the Harlequin flying frog, which is it has the special features of its webbed feet to have it glide from one tree to another tree in the air. So look at it. It's actually sleeping. So yeah, look at this webbed foot. It's can be defined as hidup harus tetap slay, like that.
Ha ha ha!